I want to say clearly again, we have no business to send somebody to Senate who does not understand what the people want. This time around, listen to what are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Hear me very well. We are not going to send people who cannot understand you. We are not people who do not know where you are living. We are not going to send people who only read Love magazine. We will send people who understand the people of Buhari. When Buhari people are angry, they know. When Buhari people are hungry, they know. The time will come. The time will come when we will unveil the person. But you know the person. So on behalf of Mr. President, let me thank you once more for fulfilling the promise you made to Mr. President, that all those who are supporting Mr. President, who contested this election, you made them to win. And so, Mr. President, I should tell you, thank you. He's not going to take this for granted. He will also fulfill his own part. And that will be done through me. Get more projects. If you do for me, if you fall for me, if you love me, if you push me, you know, some people don't understand. When we say agreement is what? Agreement is what? When we agree something, you do your own, me, I do my own. That means we have fulfilled the agreement. Please, I don't want you to waste time again to listen to conchewers, to listen to groundnut chewers on the road. They are fake people. Are they not fake people? How can a party say they are a national party, they cannot win one councillorship? Is that a party? Is that a party? A party that cannot win 1/62. That is not a party. The ruling party today is APC. The opposition party is our own party, the PDP. All the other ones, I don't know where they stand. So, I thank all of you. The road we are doing from Buhari to Kubwa, we'll finish it. We'll finish it. This year, we'll finish it. Yes. Now, because we have a very good chairman, very young chairman, the youth will be carried along. And we are going to work with him because I want somebody who will understand me. And I want somebody I will understand. And Joshua is the person. Our women, your time has come. Your time has come. Because Joshua has come. Anything you ask through Joshua, consider it done. Our traditional rulers, you have dressed up in a very good regalia. I say thank you. Our father, I thank you by standing firm. You gave me an award when we had a meeting, and indeed, you're a father to be trusted. All of you. I will do everything humanly possible to give you your due honor, your due respect. What is to be your office, you will get it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
We are taking the national anthem. The national anthem. All right.
Our father, the Honorable Minister, thank you so much. We are honored, the people of the area council. Thank you. Mr. Project, Mr. Project, Mr. Project, Mr. Project, Mr. Project.